Okay, that looks good.
Tegan, look outside. Tegan, it's raining outside.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Oh, I didn't know. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today is November 8th, 2020. It's a pretty miserable day out. We have a tropical, is it a depression?
No, it's a tropical storm.
We have a tropical storm heading towards our dear little state, Florida.
It's our punishment.
So we're gonna try and get you some content to see the best we can. It's really, really overcast. I don't know if it's gonna rain or not rain or blow the RV over, one of the three things.
I hope it doesn't. So we're gonna...
We're thinking about taking Tegan down to the dog park today. Since it's overcast, we're hoping there's not gonna be a lot of dogs there. We don't trust other people too much, you know, she does perfect. It's other people's dogs that we don't trust, we don't know their behaviors, so we like to go when there's not a lot of people if we can.
Yeah, and since it's all rainy and wet out, we don't care if she gets dirty because we're gonna give her a bathy. We're gonna give you a bathy.
Give her a nice brush, get all that undercoat out of her.
Yeah.
Make her feel great.
So yeah, as Chris was saying, there is a tropical storm coming to get us. No. So, tropical storm days, I'm not gonna blow dry my hair and I'm not gonna put on makeup. And so I'm not really feeling myself right now, but it's fine. We are gonna take Tegan to the park and then we are going to give her a bath afterwards, obviously, because she's probably gonna get super dirty since it's all gross outside. But her winter coat is coming in like absolutely crazy. This is her first winter, you know, getting her undercoat, because last year, you know, she was just a baby. Yeah, we will check in with you guys either when we're on the way to the park or when we get there. What are you doing?
What are you doing?
Tegan, can you actually get energy? Hey guys, we've been back at the RV for a little while now. Roll the outside tape. Show them the windows. It is pitch black out. That is sweet little Bill like. Come on, Chunky. Show them your cubby hole. This is their hideout. Go. Wow. We saved the two, even though we could really use the storage, we saved it for the kitties. because we're good cat parents like that. We've been back here for a bit now. When we got there, it was sprinkling like the whole time, so we weren't comfortable with bringing the camera out, but I think Kris still got some footage.
I did.
Yeah.
I got a few clips.
On his phone, because the phones are water resistant.
Or resistant.
Yeah,
sorry.
water resistant. Kris got like that footage, and then it ended up starting to pour, and we had to leave, and it's just been a crappy, rainy, windy day. And so we decided that the best thing was to just take it sleazy. So this vlog's probably gonna be a bit shorter. I did just on some comfort food.
We're gonna go ahead and make some chili.
We got corn muffins, the Publix ones.
Corn muffins.
Or cornbread muffins, yeah. So you're gonna go ahead and go along with Kris while he starts cooking this chili. It's so easy.
We're about to do a little bit of editing so we can have this up for you guys tomorrow. That's about it for this week. The tropical storm put a dampering on our plans. There's this nice place down in Naples. It's like a food truck plaza. So they have like 6 food trucks. It's all outside. They have like an outside bar and everything. So as long as we wear our masks and stay about 6 feet away from everybody, we should not have a problem. So it sounds pretty fun. So we're gonna go ahead and hopefully check that out next week for y'all. Until then, like and subscribe and hit that bell button. We'll see you next week. Huh, Tegan? She wants to play tug of war. See you, bye.